We're going to do a brief video on the GBPUSD. That's a British pound versus US dollar. I have a daily chart here in front of us. We'll take a look real quick and see what's going on with the pound. We've got a flat 20-day moving average in red, a descending green 5-day moving average, and a descending blue 200-day moving average. The pound, in my opinion, must eventually continue to move down, and I expect it's going to move down now. Taking a look at this chart to about the 108 level. That probably is going to happen here Monday or Tuesday of next week, and I think that just is something that has to happen. We're correcting, it's not really an overbought situation, but just basically correcting a political situation that drove this up probably further than it should have gone. Let's take a look real quick at the hourly chart and see what's going on there. We can see that we're deeply down now below the 200-hour moving average, which is what we had to do, and we're back down here just like we thought. We're attacking this 1.105 level, which is exactly what we had to do. The hourly chart clearly shows we're way below the 20-hour moving average and working below the 5-hour moving average. So all of this is normal, getting back on track to break through this low, which is exactly what I expect will happen. And again, probably it's going to happen, probably maybe not tomorrow, but probably early next week, Monday or Tuesday. We're going to break through this low right here that was made back in October 21st. That's really what's got to happen. The pound cannot overrun the interest rates. It's just not going to be able to fight it, in my opinion. Let's go down here and take a look and see what RBM research says about it for tomorrow. We have algorithmically generated entry prices for a lot of currencies. We put them out for tomorrow, the 4th, for entertainment purposes only. 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holds. Let's take a look and see what GBPUSD says. It says to buy at 1.112, and it says that across the board. Let's take a look and see where that is. 1.112, 1.112. is right about there, and that is a interesting call, but the algos do what they do. So that's what it says for tomorrow. You can get access to all of them every morning before 7 a.m. 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Free, no credit card required. Just head over to RBAM Research, put in your email address, get instant access, all by 7 a.m. And if you come by 6 p.m. The night before, you can get everything. Usually, you can get everything except for crypto, which is usually after 8 p.m. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment, including the commentary and the entry prices. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you have a security that you want us to do a technical analysis video on, if you leave us the ticker symbol in the notes below, the comments below, if we can do it, we will. Keep in mind, we can't give you personal financial advice, but we can certainly do a technical analysis video, assuming we can get the information. But leave us a ticker symbol and we'll try to do it. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well.